Good morning, guys. My name is Kenson Raymond. I am a DOJ with the WLC Immigration Services. From time to time, we like to share a few information with you, the public, to inform you and educate you on what's going on in the immigration field. With us in the office, we assist strictly with immigration services. If you have a case and you feel like that we can help, you're welcome to stop by. You can also call 443-783-1455 or 443-736-3399 to speak with us and see what are the possibilities, and if we can do anything to help you, we will do so. Today we would like to briefly share a few information that came out of the Supreme Court on the Venezuelan TPS. We know that the Trump administration had decided to end TPS for Venezuela, but it was also temporarily blocked by a federal judge. And of course, when that happens, then the administration also has the right to, appeal this decision, which was brought to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest court here in the U.S. And right now, at this moment, the decision that the Supreme Court took on the TPS is in favor of the Trump administration, which allowed them to end, or give them access to officially end TPS for Venezuelan, and which also would mean that they now can deport or start the deportation process for these folks that had legal status. Okay, based on the article, which is very short and not long, the decision is 6-3. Of course, we know that there are 9 justices in the Supreme Court, and as long as the majority is in favor, so this decision is final. So 6-3, 6 for and 3 against. So which means that now the administration has access to start the proceedings. So we put this out there. Of course, we don't know the outcome for the Haitian and the Afghans TPS, but we assume that this decision could also mean or affect whatever the judge or the justice decision would end up being for the Haitians or the Afghans. Now, as far as the Haitians, we know that the TPS had reduced to 12 months, which means that in August the 3rd, a final decision would have to be made, or prior to August 3rd, we should hear a final decision. So it's likely that decision could also go to the Supreme Court and end up going the same pathway as the Venezuelan. So again, currently the decision is only for the Venezuela, but it could also affect the Haitians and the Afghanistan population. So we ask that that you stay informed and stay in touch. Speak with your attorneys or someone that legally can represent you in the cases, so they can help you with proper pathway or proper decision on your case. They did also say that anyone that has a EAD card, that if or when the administration officially ends the TPS or the EAD cards, that they can appeal that decision in regards to the ending date of the TPS, because if you already have a EAD card that was legally given or issued to you, so you should have the possibility to defend that until it's actually expired. So there is quite a few things for us to go through and determine the best course of action. So, which is why it's always proper and best that you speak with your attorney or someone that is accredited that can represent you in your case. So again, if you need our services, you don't forget to stop by our office or call our office. The office number is 443-736-3399. You can also call at 443-783-1455, and we would gladly speak with you and help determine what is best for you. And thank you as always. Again, it's Kenson Raymond. We are DOJ at WLC Immigration Services. We thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.